How to create WhatsApp group without saving contacts. In this video, I'll show you how to create WhatsApp group without saving contacts. So to get started, go ahead and open WhatsApp into your device and then click on the three dots at the top right and then click on new group from here. And then in here, go ahead and add only one individual from your contacts, since it is required to add an individual on your group, and then create a group name and then go ahead and set group permissions before you click on this check icon. Now once done, you'll be able to find this. So this invite link, using this invite link, go ahead and send this to those individuals to whom you want to invite to your WhatsApp group. So once they click on this link, they'll immediately be redirected into your WhatsApp group, and then you can go ahead and proceed on accept them on joining your group. And that is how you can basically create WhatsApp group without saving contacts.